channel. Today we will be reviewing Hatchimals. So there's two types of Hatchimals. There's penguin Hatchimals and there's dragonites. It says it can hatch on its own and I have to care for it. I know how to care for it. Wing. So this is the egg, not this. Egg, not this. Egg, not this. So let's open this up. So this isn't even an egg. Ugh, no eggs. Okay. Let's open this. Egg right in here. There, open it. So this is the Hatchimals egg. So these are the instructions to hatch your Hatchimal. So let me open it, just like that. Oops, sorry Hatchimal. So I always have a quack. Yay, I'm doing good so far. Yay! I'm gonna keep this egg counter damp. Oh my gosh, it's sick! It says it's sick on here! Oh gosh! More dabs! Oh gosh! It's nasty! It's a whole sight! Oh gosh! This will take a while to hatch. So far, it's been pink, orange, light blue, dark blue, purple, and flashing orange. And you play hot potato with the egg! Ugh! Ugh! Don't be sad, you're gonna hatch very soon. Don't feel sad. Wait, you're recording? It's dark, you guys. I turned off the light so that you guys can see the color of its eyes. It's spinning and it's starting to hatch. See, it just made this quack. And you can hear it. Oh, come on. There we go. Keep on doing. Come on, start. Don't go to bed. That's its eye. The baby is almost here, you guys. The baby is almost here, you guys. Come on. Wait the egg. Wait the egg. Wait the. It's the baby. I want to name him Bloopers. That's a nice name. As always, like and subscribe for more great videos. See you in my next video.